from November 2021. This is a non-calculator paper. I'm just going to talk through the first 2 pages. Right, first question we've got here is 3/10 as a percentage. We know a percentage is always out of 100. Therefore, to get 10, the denominator to be 100, I've got to times it by 10, which means I need to do the same to the top. Therefore, 3 times 10 is 30. 3/10 as a percentage is 30%. The second question, write the following numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. Okay, because we're dealing with negatives here, what I would do is look for the negative number that I know is the smallest. Minus 10 is the smallest number, and I know that because it's the furthest number away from 0. There. The next one would be minus 7. We're getting closer to 0. Minus 2, 0, 1, and 8. What I would just do here is check. I've got 3 numbers, 6 numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Let's move on. 9 over 100 as a decimal. What I need to do there is actually divide 9 by 100, which means it needs to move to the right twice on my place value chart, which gives me 0.09. 327 correct to the nearest 10. Well, I'm going to look at this column here. 327. It's either going to be 320 or 330. This number here is a 7. That is my decider. That is what I would call that number, my decider, because that's the number that decides whether this stays as 2 or whether this rises to 3. And it's going to rise because that number is 5 or above. So my answer is 330. This question here, I've got 7 to the power of 2, which is 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Also, this can be read as 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. So that's my answer. Question 6a, write down the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is a trapezium. The mathematical name of this 3D shape is a cylinder. £42 is shared equally between 3 friends. How much does each friend get? Shared here means divide. So I've got £42 divided by 3. £42 divided by 3, that gives me £14. You'll notice I didn't put the pound sign in because the paper's already done that for me. So we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 marks secured on the first 2 pages.